Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hope still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy. My
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Cheetah Beauty Human Hair. Shout out to you, Cheetah Beauty, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their 6x4.5 brown wavy pre-bleached glueless black with chestnut brown highlights 24-inch wig, and I do have it in 180% density. So I'm going to go ahead and click on their site to give you guys some more details and specs. So on their site it says wear and go brown loose body wave pre-bleached glueless wig, black hair with chestnut brown highlights, lace wig dome cap. And so this wig is available in 16 to 34 inches. I stated that I do have it in 24 inches. The densities that are available is 150, 180, and 250% density. So you can get any of those densities. The lace that is available is the 5x5 lace, the 6x4.5, which is what I have, as well as the 7x5. It's available in a 3D dome cap or a breathable air cap, and you have the option to choose whatever you want, honey, for you, girl. Okay, so they have on here, it's an M cap brown loose body wave wig. The series is their affordable series. It's available in 16 to 30 inches as stated, 180% density. The color is dark brown ombre. It can be dyed, and it comes in a 22.5 medium cap, a large. If you need a large or a small, please make a note so it can be customized. So those are all the details and specs that I see on here. Now, as far as the customization, if you need a smaller or larger cap size, I don't know about the cost of that. I guess you would have to see when you are ordering, but at least they have that option. Now, because we're already on cap size, I'm gonna go ahead and say, in my opinion, this unit can work for a larger head. I think it's geared more to medium to large heads, but I am an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, do with that what you want to do with it, because I only got the head that is on my shoulders, and it is an average cap size. But like I said, you can ask them and they can customize it to how you want the unit to be. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, honestly, there were none of the things. This hair feels very nice. It's very lightweight, and whenever I see loose body wave, I just automatically think the unit is going to come pre-curl. But mind you, once you wash most of these wigs, in my opinion, typically once you wash them, they do go back to a regular body wave. So just keep that in mind. But if you want to wear the curl strap to package them without washing or whatever, then you can, because like I said, it comes pre-curl. As far as the hairline, I feel like it definitely came pre-tweezed. It did not come pre-bleached, but I have been using my lace tint and mousse, and honey, it does the trick for me. I feel like this lace super melted in. It did come as a middle part, and I decided to do a curved C part. And once I, sprayed it down, because, that's just my thing. Once I sprayed it down, I just felt like the lace really, really melted in, and it was pre-cut. So I love that for me, because that is a beginner-friendly tee. Now, I do want to say, I don't know if I showed this in the video or what, but once I put the wig on, even though it came pre-cut, the lace was longer, and I'm guessing they do that so you can customize it to how you would like. So I did cut off a bunch of the lace. Even though it was pre-cut, I still cut off more lace. So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. Honestly, I couldn't think of a con. So the only thing that I came up with is that I had to cut that excess lace. And initially I was just gonna wear it as is, and it wasn't popping. Okay, so that's gonna be my only con, although that's not a real con because I think they did it purposely, but I could be wrong. I'm just lazy. So that's gonna be my con. As far as the pros, honey, I love the color. I love the length. I love the way the hair feels. It's very, very soft hair. It was very easy to style. I feel like it is very extremely beginner friendly, and you guys know I love that for me. And yeah, that is all of my pros for this unit. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Did you not hear my pros? Yes, I would recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. All right, y'all, so sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Cheetah Beauty Human Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one bread cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter X. All right. So I will see you lovers next time. Bye.